Hello, I'm Derek, and welcome to Hindsight 101, where you'll learn about things that will help you out in everyday life. Now, I had some trouble with my grill this past weekend, and I learned something new that would probably advocate for me to want to read the instructions. So I lit up my grill as normal, but the problem was I got a very low flame, and I let it sit for like 20 minutes, and still it was very low and nothing would change. So I went on the website, read the instructions, and found out it's a safety feature. So basically, if the grill detects a propane leak, it'll minimize the amount of propane that'll go through the line. So you'll still get a flame, but it'll be very low. This is very easy to fix. So all you have to do is make sure you turn off the burners, and then you want to turn off the propane. Give it a couple seconds, and then slowly turn the propane on, and then let the line fill up. So that'll let it pressurize. And then once that's done, you can start it up as normal. This usually happens after you fill the tank up, disconnected and reconnected. That's kind of when it'll occur, so be a lookout for that. So I hope this helped, and if you think it'll help somebody else, please share it. And if you want to support the channel, check out some of my other videos. Take care.
Thanks for watching Hindsight 101. Click the subscribe button and select the notification bell to stay up to date.